Abi! Ça c'est Abi! Haïtien! Levez-nous là! Levez nous! Quand nous sommes tombés, au Paraguay. Attirez fort! Le colon vient par nous! Comme ça, mon ça dit ça l'eau.
Pas de malade. Depuis que tu es malade, allez tout. Pas de malade. Moi-même là, ça que je dois là, je ne vais pas là. Je vais dire,
And now in Haiti, where armed gangs carried out a massacre in the city of Pont-Sunde, killing at least 70, including children, on October 3rd. Gang members with automatic rifles stormed the town, which is located in the agricultural region of western Haiti. The United Nations said at least 16 people were injured in the attack, including 2 gang members, after local police exchanged fire. The gang members also set fire to hundreds of homes, forcing nearly 6,000 residents to flee the area. Haitians displaced by the gang violence said they want to return to their home, but the rampaging attacks has dimmed that possibility.
In this video, we take a look at the situation that is happening now in Haiti as this gang violence has escalated to another level and another city has been attacked by these gangs. So in this video, we'll take a look at updates on the killing of some people in Haiti and also the conditions that is now happening in Haiti. We'll also take a look at interviews from some of the people in Haiti, as well as some words from the gang leader Barbecue. So let's stay tuned as we watch the following clips. Then after we are done watching the clips, we'll come back here and discuss further about it. So let's watch the clips together. But before we watch these clips, if you haven't yet liked this video, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's watch the clips together.
Nous croyons dans le dialogue. Nous pour dialogue, nous toujours prôner pour un dialogue. Mais groupe moun sa qui la classe politique ça qui là, yo pas là pour dialogue. Raison parce que yo pas pour Haïti dans cœur ou même avec nous. Classe politique qui là y a fait une exclusion côté que y a dit bandi, nèg azam baladan. Mais son façon pour renouveler système nan, Jean Lia parce que système nan il vient dans bout li. Et écart qui gagne entre moun riche et moun pauvre en Haïti en li trop. Dans le monde entier gagne écart entre moun riche et moun pauvre. Mais gens fait en Haïti ali indécent. En nous prêt toute solution depuis c'est haïtien qui sous table. Nous même nous prêt pour nous chita parler avec tout le monde parce que ça qui passe dans pays là nous pas.
Patients though have nowhere else to go.
Moi j'ai marine qui travaille dans Paris. Pendant la rentrée la caille. Bandi au prend yo tirer yo bouler. Chaque petit point au combat. Moi pas gain rat pour mettre. Même sandal moi pas gain pour mettre.
Is taking place this week. But who exactly takes over and when new elections will take place, still unclear. And with that, fears that the fighting could go on.
Just to pass c'est haïtien moi dans mes pays changer. J'aime moi pays situation pays ali fait me peur. Non c'est la gagne game. Je confesse mon Dieu seulement après ça.
We're making good arrangements. Police units are coming out of Port-au-Prince. They've traveled by road to bring in reinforcements. My government is providing resources such as helicopters to continue to strengthen our capabilities. But the first thing is to continue to strengthen the police so they can come and do their work. For them to find the criminals, track them down and bring them to justice.
As we mentioned a few minutes ago, Haiti is on a brink of becoming a failed state. A gangland rebellion is ripping through the republic. The prime minister has announced he will step down once a transitional presidential council is in place. But will the gang leaders at at the heart of the fighting reject that plan, continuing to put Haitians at the center of the crisis. The human toll, hunger, violence, and unrest has been unthinkable. Our Matt Rivers, who's been reporting on conditions there now for years, takes us back to Haiti to see that toll firsthand.
Haiti is collapsing. The country has been ravaged by 2 weeks of chaos, of bloodshed, of intense fighting and horrific human suffering with no obvious way out. Port-au-Prince is no stranger to gang violence, but an unholy alliance has emerged between the most powerful armed groups, now unified behind this man, Jimmy Chersier, aka Barbecue.
Ensuite, pour nous déclencher bataille réelle contre le pouvoir et pour nous déclencher bataille réelle contre le système qui est là, système oligarque corrompu, politiciens traditionnels corrompus.
Led by Barbecue, Haiti's most notorious gang leader.
Les ancêtres nous ont été battus avec manchette et nous-mêmes, et je dis à nous des armes mais nous n'a gommé pour nous libérer le pays.
Before, there were 1.6 million people in Port-au-Prince who didn't have enough to eat. Before this crisis, this is making things worse. There's no way in and out that's safe. With the port now being closed, the real risk is that the 1.6 million people in Port-au-Prince who are acutely food insecure could tip into famine. This is one of the most extreme situations I've ever seen as an aid worker.
Dozens of gang members and nearly a half-dozen police have been killed in the fighting, while thousands of citizens have been forced to flee from their home.
On apprend une pause juste pour nous évaluer la situation, juste pour permettre que bon chita parler qui fait entre toute couche sociale dans le pays, entre groupes armés.
Violence in Haiti has become an international concern in recent years. According to the United Nations, over 3,600 people have been killed in gang violence since January of this year. In June, Kenyan security forces arrived in Haiti to lead the multinational peacekeeping force funded by the United States and the United Nations. But with just 400 Kenyan troops, the international security force has not been able to control fighting in the Caribbean nation. As armed gangs launch fresh attacks across Haiti, questions arise as to whether the international troops can in fact bring an end to the violence.
Zami yo ap gen pou yo baisser, lè pou yo baisser. Nan moment nous pas arriver dans phase pour nous baisser zami yo parce que moun qui là yo pas vle tande la raison. Nous gen plus passé 2 à 3 ans depuis que n'a prôné un dialogue, depuis que n'a demandé pour tout monde chita sous table pour nous dialoguer avec monsieur qui gen zami yo. Personne moun pas vle tande nous. Et je dis à nous venons une situation côté que nous a pas avancer. Nous avons un objectif non clair.
He's not responsible for all the violence sweeping across Haiti's capital, but be under no doubt he's at the center of it. His fighters are never far away.
Annoncer publiquement que stratégie pour faire tout ça bébé, déposer zam, faciliter le dialogue national là.
It's hard to believe, but this is downtown Port-au-Prince, the heart of Haiti's capital. It should be full of people. It isn't now. Fighting is often intense here. Burnt out cars and buildings abandoned, the signature of the violence in this city.
Buildings and police stations have been attacked, with gangs threatening civil war.
Today it's clear that the people who live in the shanty towns are the ones who know what they're going through. It is the Haitian people who are going to take their destiny into their own hands.
350,000 of them are on the run, living on the streets, in tent cities, or in overcrowded schools as gangs invade their neighborhoods.
So what we need is for the fighting to stop. We need security to return, and hopefully the...
Tâchez manger. Nous c'est bon petit Dessalines, je dis à nous pas quitter aucune troupe étrangère venir entrer assassiner mon dans le pays. Au péril de notre vie, qu'est-ce que nous couler, on a continué à couler jusqu'à dernier coup de sang nous pour nous défendre l'intégrité et la souveraineté pays ça. Et pour pas haïtien, pour sous-sol là, nous considérons que nous envahissons. Envahissons le majeur, nous avons pied pour nous. Songez à faire nous ça déjà.
Welcome back. So in this video we take a look at the happenings in Haiti quite recently, where another city has been attacked by the gangs in Haiti. Now when this crisis happened, the Prime Minister of Haiti was in touch with other military from other parts of the world in order to help their military to be able to combat the activities of these gangs in Haiti. So the Kenyan military sent troops to Haiti, as well as Jamaica and that of Belize. They have all joined the soldiers and the police in Haiti in order to bring a stop to these gang violence and this crisis. But it looks like the situation is quite escalating, even after they have moved in to put in place some interventions and to combat the activities of these gangs in Haiti. Now, this city was recently attacked and a lot of people have lost their lives. I think they said about 70 people lost their lives, including 2 gang members and also children. And this is where it becomes very worrying, where this gang operations and these violence affect the vulnerable people like children, like the aged and people like that. It becomes a very worrying and difficult situation. Now, people are not able to have access to essential health care in the hospital. There was a man who spoke that he had to leave the hospital because there were no doctors even in the hospital to take care of them. And even in the video, a police station was attacked by these gangs. And so it moves or puts the country in a very tight and difficult situation. People cannot have access to their normal life and their way of living. And this is not good at all. It really retards the progress of the country. Looking at the economy, it will be very difficult for the country to even rebuild itself to the level that it was, because there are a lot of properties that has been lost, a lot of life as well that has been lost. Now, looking at some buildings that has been burnt down, homes of people that has been burnt down to displace about 6,000 people, and cars that has been burnt down. All these properties that contribute to the economy's development have been destroyed. So it means this is taking a heavy toll on the economy of Haiti, and it will be very difficult for the country to rebuild itself up in terms of getting to the economic status that the country was in. Now, if you look at the idea of the gang leader by the name Barbecue, now he says that he is also fighting for the freedom of the people, but fighting for the freedom of the people in this way, which in a way does not help the people, because people are losing lives, they are losing property. It means it becomes a bit difficult. He says that resources that are meant to develop the countries, politicians are misusing it. And even though this is very true and it's a valid point, it's very difficult that things are escalating to this extent, and I think something needs to be done about it. Let me know your general thoughts, opinions, and comments about this crisis that is happening in Haiti. Do you think that this crisis will end anytime soon? What are some of the interventions that you think can be put in place in order to stop this crisis? Also, share with us if you have had any experience of any such violence in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and your family on other social media platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, X, and other social media platforms. Also subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button down here. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell. And I'd like to see you again in my next video.